Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to share live location on WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. To share your live location on WhatsApp, follow these steps. First, launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, select the chat with the person or group you want to share your live location with. On the chat page, tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Location option. Now tap on the Share Live Location option. Next, choose the duration you want to share your live location for, and then tap the Send icon. That's it. You have successfully sent your live location on WhatsApp. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.